steaming bowl of curry noodles. Yeah, that's like my ultimate comfort food. I hope you love this one, my friends. It's my version of Thai green curry chicken noodles. So Thai green curry holds a very special place in my heart, which is why I'm really excited that I can share with you guys my brand new Thai green curry paste. So I've been waiting like a decade to release this curry paste. When I first started designing products way back in 2010, I first designed a Thai green curry meal kit, including all the bits and pieces that you need to make a green curry. But I've always wanted to release this paste on its own because I think you can do so many things with a curry paste that isn't just making a green curry. I'm really excited. I'm going to be bringing you guys loads of really great curry paste recipes, and I'm also just genuinely, as a personal thing, so incredibly humbled and just really excited that I get to share my family's Thai green curry paste with all of you guys. So there you go. I'll stop talking so much and make you some really good noodles now using my green curry paste, of course. So I might get started on the green curry sauce first of all. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil into my wok. I'm going to pop this into my oil. Now I just want to let that paste sizzle a little in that hot oil. And the idea is that we're kind of releasing all the really beautiful big flavors that are in that paste, all the aromatic oils and all the flavor that sort of comes out when you heat it up. Now I'm going to go in with some coconut milk. And then traditionally with a Thai green curry, it's not like a really thick, saucy kind of texture. So a lot of the time you'll hear Thai curries described as soups, and I would say that's probably more accurate than calling it, a very thick curry. So I always add in a little bit of water when I'm making my Thai curries. Now I have some agruut lime leaves here, which I always like to add in some extra when I'm making particularly a green curry. Just kind of crush them up in your hands to release, some of their flavor. Just let that simmer away in there, make friends. Okay, so now for the chicken, and I'm using chicken thigh here. And I'm gonna cut this chicken quite small. I want sort of nice little chunks of chicken throughout the whole sauce. My curry has just started bubbling away here. Now I'm gonna add in my chicken. In the meantime, I'm going to grab some noodles. These happen to be dried udon noodles. Now for some vegetables here, I'm going to go in with some green beans. In Thailand, we actually add snake beans in a lot of the time, but green beans will do also. And then this is completely not what my mother would add, but I often like to add baby spinach into my green curry just to up the vegetable count for me during the week. So I'll add that in. Not a very traditional ingredient, but still very good for making you feel virtuous on a weeknight. I'm going to add a little bit of fish sauce here. Now, depending on how hot you like a green curry, I like mine pretty hot. You could just leave it as it is, or you can add some extra chili. And I like to add dried red chilies to mine if I'm going to sort of increase that spice level. And I want to finish this off with some Thai basil. Now for me, a Thai green curry is always finished with lots of lovely fresh Thai basil. It's just what I'm used to, but you can also get the same beautiful flavor or similar flavor if you use Italian basil, if you can't get a hold of Thai basil. Now you just want to let that sauce simmer gently, because if you heat it too high, you might get the coconut milk splitting. So now my noodles are ready. I'm going to strain them off and then just rinse them until they're cool. So I like to cool these noodles down so that I can handle them easily and just sort of make loose little bundles, if you like, to place to my bowl. And your hot curry sauce is going to warm them up anyway, so don't worry too much about that. Now we're nearly there. Oh, I love this part. Adding my curry sauce to my noodles, steaming sauce, lovely chewy noodles, and then just a little bit more basil on the top and some bean shoots for some crunchy freshness at the end. So there you go, my friends. That is my Thai green curry chicken noodles. I am very excited. I could eat this all day, every day, and would never, ever get sick of it. Yum. That was a very long noodle. But the curry sauce itself, wow. I mean, there's just there's just all the flavors are there, you know, it's beautifully spicy. You've got that lovely mix of all those big aromatics, but it's making something really beautiful and elegant and lovely. Just so comforting. Ah. Hey guys, if you want to know whenever I'm releasing something new and delicious, then you should hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that I can let you know every time something new is coming out. Thanks, see you!